everyone, hope you're safe and well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to speak about a new product from Lakme, and this has to be one of my favorite products that they have launched in recent times. I've tried this product, I've tested this product, and I absolutely love it, guys. I'm so excited to show it to you. It is their iconic Insta Cool Kajal, and here is the packaging of the kajal. It comes in this simple, vibrant packaging. The kajal pencil looks like this, and I really like that it's a twist up pencil. Basically, it's a retractable pencil where you don't have to worry about sharpening it with a sharpener. Now, one thing which is really unique about this product is that it's Lakme's first cooling kajal, and trust me when I say this, you really have to try this product in your waterline to feel the cooling effect in your eyes. It is not something over the top, or it's not something which is going to make your eyes water. It's just subtle and it just relaxes your eyes instantly as soon as you apply this kajal. The cooling effect which you feel in your eyes comes from the cucumber seed extracts which are infused in this kajal, and it is suitable for everyone. I personally have sensitive eyes. I do have a power. I wear lenses a lot of times, and this product does suit me really well. Plus, it lasts all day long. It is waterproof, it is smudge proof, and it is jet black. Now I'm going to show you 3 very simple and easy looks which I love to create with this kajal. You'll also get to see this kajal in action. So let's begin with look number 1. The first look which I'm going to do is a simple everyday kajal look. You simply need to apply the kajal on your waterline, and to make it a bit more defined, apply the kajal on your upper waterline as well. The second look which I'm going to create is a bold kajal look. For this look, you need to apply your kajal pencil halfway through your lower lash line. Don't apply all the way through because that can end up looking a bit scary. After applying the kajal halfway through, take a Q-tip and just smudge that line with that Q-tip. My last and final look is a smoky kajal look. For that, first I'm going to create a thick eyeliner on my eyelid. After creating a thick eyeliner, I'm again going to take my Q-tip and smudge this line with the Q-tip. To make this look a bit more intense, I'm going to repeat the same step one more time. So those were my 3 go-to kajal looks, and there are so many more looks which you can create with this kajal pencil. It is very convenient to use, guys. And last but not the least, the affordability factor of this product is great. It is priced at just 225 rupees. The pigmentation, the lasting power, and just the overall quality that it delivers makes it a value for money product. If you are looking for a good smudge-proof and waterproof kajal which stays on your eyes for a long time and at the same time which relaxes and cools your eyes down, then you can definitely consider buying it. I personally love this product, guys. And with that, we've come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you're not following me on Instagram, then maybe you can follow me on Instagram. I do post some makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please subscribe to our channels. I'm going to leave the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. So do check it out. And if you do like our content, then please follow and subscribe. That's it from me for today. You take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.